Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel. It's actually a new channel. If you haven't watched We've Never Done That, go check it out. So this channel is called We Like to Do That. And today I'll show you how to make a Lego fidget cube if yours didn't ship or you're just too bored and you don't want to order anything online or something and you just want to make it quick out of Legos. I mean, it's good if you do have Legos. So let me show you the things. So it has a beat where you can make beats kind of like a flat surface. On this, there are like wheels that you can roll across here. And then on this one, you just spin it around, or you can just take it off and stick it in the middle, so it's like a kind of like a clock kind of thing. And there's these kind of like a wavy ocean something. I don't know. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so these are the pieces that you need to make the Lego fidget cube. So what you need first is you need, let me push this all over to the side. So what you need first is you need to take your 4x4 base, and what you need is you need a 1x4 piece like this, and then take a 1x3, place it right there, so right next to it, and then take another 3x3 and place it right there. Now, you're going to take a 1x2, place it back here, and then you're going to take the smooth a 2x2 kind of plate, and you're going to stick it right there, okay? So, now we're going to get in with the wheel mechanism. So, what you want is you want this, and you want to grab, I don't know what this is called. If you know what it's called, comment down below. So just stick this in here, and then just stick your wheels on, just like that, and then stick it right over the plate, so spin, just like that. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're going to do the two black thingies. I don't know what they're called, but okay. So, but basically, what you need is you need these two. Okay. Also, pause the video if necessary, if you need to. Now, stick it right in here, and then take these. Okay, and then just stick it on. Oops. Oh. Okay, now stick them on just like this, and then stick the other one on, and you're good. Now stick them behind the wheel, like so. Okay, there you go. Okay, after you got these two done, what you want is we're gonna make the little spinny thing. So basically what you want is you want this, it's kind of like a 1x2 white piece with a hole in the middle, and you just want to place it right here. So it's just like this. Boop, just like that. And then you want to take one of these, kind of like a circle 1x2, and then you want to stick it in the center, or I mean the out part of it. I mean, it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna do the center, and then just stick it on here, and then there you go. There's your system. And then you're gonna take a just a white piece, just like this, no like holes or anything, and you just want to stick it right here. So hopefully you saw me stick it there. So now what you need is you're gonna take another white piece and you're gonna stick it right there. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna complete the build. So you want to take your 1x4, stick it over these two black things, just like that, and then take two 1x3s and place them on top of these white pieces. Okay, just like that. And then you're going to take your 4x4, you're going to place it straight on the top, and we are almost done. Then take these smooth pieces, and we'll just stick them on the bottom like this. And then you want to take